needs to be fulfilled. Uthando. It always looks around for a need. Uthando. So asikalazi ke uthando uma stuck in only enjoying to receive. Our joy bazalwane masesiqonda uthando. Our joy babunqumalo intokozo yethu igcwaliseka uma sesithokoza when we are giving more than when we are receiving. A person who learns how to give is the most blessed person on earth. Awubancane bami. Awubazalwane. Umuntu obusisiwe emhlabeni, umhlaba wonke, umuntu who takes joy in giving, not to give with ulterior motives. No. Sometimes you give la owasikhola ukuthi there is nothing, though even to unexpected lutho vela konke ngizothola la. But my heart, I feel fulfilled when I've given. For God so loved the world that He gave. Here's one thing. Not with one of His sons, but with His only begotten. Ezelwe yodwa. And la anikela ngayo khona, unikela abantu abayizoni, people who have no gratitude. But He gave. More than love, what pushed God? Also it was faith. Says faith works with love. And love works with faith. Where there is love, there is faith. Where there is faith, there must be love. Ukuthanda umuntu ngokukholwa ubona kahle ukuthi kunama signs anokumtshengisa ukuthi I may not get dividends la, but if faith working together with love in your spirit says continue to sow seeds of love. Ngabe serious. Ake sithi uthando. Two, uyazi ukuthi uthando alinayo expiry date. Akukho uthando luphelayo olwakho njengomuntu. But uthando that comes from God, it never expires. It never expires. Kunabantu who will die and go to hell. uNkulunkulu ebathanda. Ngeke azathoba nathi besesikhophe namsabathanda. Uyabathanda. That is what in Bible. Bawuthi bephonsiwe echibini lomlilo, uyongithatha ichibi lomlilo aliphonse ebumnyameni obungagcini. That is Him erasing the memory kuye. Ukuthi kunabantu engingabathanda bayechibini. So ukuze ngibe ngiqhubeke ngiphile without hearing them belokhu bekhaya, I will erase them with memory. But not ukuthi akabathandi. But ngoba yikho into azoyenza bangene ngentando yakhe esikhona. Yena bebathandile waze wanikela ngento ngoba uyabathanda, but they did not receive. Angikhulumela amazwi uyobhala phansi mawuthanda. Number one, love brings healing. Love brings healing. Uyazi ukuthi gift of healing, it is powerful, but uthando is more powerful to heal than the gift of healing. I've seen people getting delivered. Love what was administered. idemoni lasha could not continue to stay emzimbeni walowo muntu, lizwa umuntu ephiwa nje uthando. So I'm saying, the gift of healing is powerful, but its power can never outmatch healing that comes from love. But we why people are not getting healed, yet they are loved. Here's the answer. It's not love that is given that heals you, but it's the love that you receive. It is at the point of receiving when this love will begin to minister healing, restoration, hope, faith, way. It's not ukuthi abathandiwe. Uthanda abathandwe ngalo abakwenze njani? Abakamukeli. So akuphelele ekutheni uthande, umbuzo ukuthi wena othandiwe, have you learned how to receive that love? I've seen ama-marriages collapsing uthando lukhona. Inkinga kubo ukuthi lo othandwayo akafundile i-art of receiving that love. Kunomuntu babushado ozokuthanda, but uma ungafundile how to receive uthando othandwa yakho, usenamthuka lowo muntu, usengambuka kabi lowo muntu, usengamzona ekuthanda yini izathu you are not trained with how to receive the love given to you. So love is a beautiful thing. Here's what I was about. Love is a very beautiful thing. Ingakho noSathane elwa kangaka nemishado, ubobuka yonke into efaka uthando phakathi yalwiswa. Umndeni kuze kube umndeni udinga ini uthando. Buka ama-splits nama-division akhona emndenini. uSathane is attacking yonke into enothando. Why? Ingoba he was loved by God, but he couldn't receive. Unaloko, instead of receiving, wavuka jealous. Wafuna ukucompete noThixo. So le anger anayo ufila sengathi uNkulunkulu akamthandayo. But what he failed to perceive the love God has for him. So njengamanje indlela asebenza ngayo isponsorishwa ijealousy yokuthi I feel sengathi angithandwa ngokwanele babeso. Uzobona uNkulunkulu samkhanda akazambhubhisi Oh, may we learn how to love. May we learn how to love. Thanda. Umuntu othandayo noma uthanda umthakathi uyamthakathi. Umuntu othandayo noma ungamfisela okubi kanjani, uprosperisha sekufisile okubi. Aprosperishe phambi kwakho. Uthi uyamdestroya i-area omdestroye kuyo. Ayibona multiplier phambi kwakhe iba better than what you've destroyed. Yini edala ngomzalwane? It is this force, this power called love. I guess we should say love is the greatest. But sifunda kanjani uthando? Except a man is introduced to God, that man cannot love. Because God is akanalo uthando kuphela kodwa yena uqobo. Lento anayo futhi uyiyo. Uthando lwenza ukuthi You are the same yesterday, today, and even next day. Umzalwane onothando awumficeli incwadi yokuzayo. Ufica the same book that is in our advancement because the story continues. But no matter how the story continues, and as good, no matter what umzalwane anadevelopa empilweni abe successful akhule kwenzeka moya kanjani, but kunama traces of love kimi kuye ongekuzowa ficeleko. They are always the same. Umbuzo uthi impilo ayi-challenge yini? It does challenge us. Impilo ayisiniki yini ama-tantrums? Impilo ayisiniki yini izizathu sokuthi sishintshe sibe izilwane? Iyasinika. But ngenxa ukuthi sinqotshiwe uthando lukaThixo, we are forever the same. I'm giving you in mystery what keeps you the same. Uthando. Hayi lwakho. Olwakho luthi ngiyakholwa kodwa nje konke engazwani nayo. Olwakho. But olwaNkulunkulu luthi, I don't love you because you are good now. Ngizokuthanda ngisho sengikhipha foreign fruits and still love you. Ake sithi uthando. Uzubona uthando, it's a turf that we need to climb and live on it. How many people are anointed, gifted, and are prophetic manje ukuthi ucabanga ekuseni, but they don't have love? Banalo uthando. Kunabantu umfundisi uDlamini who can preach like no, they bangama preaching machines, but hambofuna nje lesithelo thando. Satan akanankinga ukuthi unama gifts of the Holy Spirit. Anankinga. Usathana uqala ukukulwisa when you are approaching a momentum of having the fruits of the Spirit. Because other fruits of the Spirit, they deal with character. Other fruits of the Spirit are the realm of man, are the soul. However, Spirit. Ama gifts of the Spirit are dealing with the spirit part, but ama fruits are dealing with the soul because are dealing with the character. So I'm saying, boy, usathana akanankinga. Ungavusa abantu abafile akanankinga usathana. Ungasukumisa ishosha akanankinga. But uqala ukuba nenkinga nawo mosuzenza uThixo. Passing love to others in their down state. Usathana akanankinga uma usala uthi I come against all forces and demons. Kodwa unenkinga mawusuthi Lord, teach me how to forgive. Uyaqala akasukuma athi useqala ukuhlupha. Abaningi bethu la, including me, ngiyifaka phakathi nami ngiphethe imali. There are things we have missed babumathunjwa empilweni because we allowed the pain to push us to hate, to resent abantu abathize. Kanti ngaleso sikhathi it was a season for love to do wonders kuwe. But siyabonga uNkulunkulu ongasibaleli izolo. Na namhlanje usasinika ithuba futhi ukuthi you failed last year, you failed 2021, but 2025 kuya phambili. Don't fail the same test. Don't fail the same test. I made a decision. Ushadeni nobaba uMabaso. 2022 besiya 2023. I was betrayed, kabuhlungu, by a person I called a brother. I was so angry in my spirit that year, December. I was very angry. So ngithe mangiye entabeni eDannhauser to pray. Wathi uNkulunkulu, look at all the seeds of love you've planted kuye. Umazi ukuthi unje. Awucabanga ukuthi it's about time that you do the most in life.